My favorite day of the week is music day. I love getting together with my friends at school and playing our instrument. It's like being a part of a first-place team where everyone has fun and supports each other. I love it. The hardest part of learning an instrument is deciding on which one to play. There are so many great choices. The flute's high notes sound so magical, and it's small and can be taken anywhere. The clarinet is beautiful with a rich, full sound. I love the way you can make your fingers dance up and down the instrument. The saxophone is the jazziest one of all. It is really cool for playing pop and rock music. The trumpet is so shiny and bright with a sound that soars above all the other instruments. I call it the king of the orchestra. The P-Bone Mini is the trumpet's super cool big brother. It is plastic and comes in red or blue colors. I love the slide and the low notes it can make. The violin is the most popular instrument in the orchestra. I love how you use a bow in your fingers to create such beautiful notes and sounds. The cello is the big sister to the violin. It has a gorgeous deep low sound that is unlike any other instrument in the orchestra. The ukulele is a super fun little music maker that you can play for people anywhere. It looks like a guitar, but it's smaller and has just 4 strings. If you have never played an instrument before, why not try it this year and join the school orchestra program? There are classes starting soon for kids who have never played before, as well as classes for students like me who want to continue to learn and get better and better. Classes start in a few weeks, so please go online with your parents this evening and register. The website is easy to remember. Jointheorchestra.com